Creating a consistent yoga practice schedule can be a transformative step in your journey toward a healthier, more balanced life. Establishing a routine not only builds discipline, but also supports steady progress toward your personal goals. By thoughtfully choosing specific times and days that align with your lifestyle and energy levels, you can integrate yoga into your daily life in a sustainable and enjoyable way. Let's dive into the benefits of setting a yoga practice schedule. First and foremost, it fosters consistency and discipline. When you carve out dedicated time for yoga, it becomes a part of your routine, making it easier to turn practice into a lasting habit. This consistency is crucial, as it allows you to steadily work toward your goals, whether they are physical, mental, or emotional. With each session, you'll notice improvements in your mental and physical well-being. Regular practice helps reduce stress, enhances focus, and supports overall health. Moreover, a well-structured schedule cultivates commitment and motivation. By treating your yoga sessions like important appointments, you create a sense of accountability. This structure makes it easier to stay engaged and dedicated to your practice. It also helps you balance your energy levels. By selecting practice times that align with your natural energy cycles, you can engage in yoga when you're most focused or relaxed, thus enhancing the quality of each session. Now, how do you choose the best times and days for your practice? Start by assessing your daily schedule and energy levels. Reflect on when you typically feel most energized. Some individuals thrive with morning practices, using yoga to kickstart their day, while others find evening sessions more soothing and restorative. It's essential to start small and build consistency. Begin with a manageable schedule, perhaps 2 to 3 days a week, and gradually increase the frequency as you feel more comfortable. Consider your goals when selecting practice times. If physical fitness is your aim, morning sessions may invigorate you for the day ahead. Conversely, if relaxation is your priority, an evening practice may better suit your needs. Blocking time on your calendar is a great way to reinforce this commitment. Mark your chosen days and times, and set reminders to help you stay on track. Another tip is to vary the length of your sessions based on your daily commitments. On busier days, opt for shorter practices while reserving longer sessions for when you have more time. Even a brief 10 to 15-minute practice can be effective for building consistency. Flexibility is also key. Life can be unpredictable, so allow yourself the grace to adapt your schedule as needed. If you miss a session, avoid self-criticism. Simply return to your next scheduled practice. Now, let's explore some sample yoga practice schedules that cater to different goals and lifestyles. For beginners looking to establish a consistent routine, aim for 2 to 3 days a week with sessions lasting 20 to 30 minutes. You might choose Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, practicing either in the morning or evening, focusing on foundational poses and gentle stretches. If your goal is to improve strength and physical fitness, consider practicing 4 to 5 days a week, mixing shorter and longer sessions. You could schedule 30 to 40-minute practices on Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday mornings, followed by a longer 60-minute session on Saturday that focuses on strength and flexibility. Sundays could be reserved for a gentle recovery session. For those seeking stress relief and relaxation, a schedule of 3 to 4 days a week may be ideal, focusing primarily on evening practices. Consider Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for gentle or restorative yoga sessions lasting 20 to 30 minutes, and a longer 45-minute session on Sunday that incorporates restorative poses and meditation. If you have a busy lifestyle, a daily short practice may be the best option. Aim for 10 to 15 minutes each day, incorporating gentle stretches and breathing exercises. You could add an optional 30-minute session on weekends for a deeper practice. Staying consistent with your schedule is crucial. Setting reminders, whether through alarms or visual cues like keeping your yoga mat in sight, can prompt you to practice. Establishing a pre-practice routine, such as lighting a candle or taking a few deep breaths, can signal the start of your yoga time. Celebrate your small wins. Acknowledging each completed session, regardless of length, builds motivation and fosters a positive mindset. Keeping a practice journal can also enhance your commitment. Document your experiences, thoughts, and any changes you notice in your body and mind. This reflection can help you track your progress and stay dedicated. Remember to allow yourself rest days. Taking breaks is essential for maintaining balance, especially if you're engaging in a more active practice. Life can be unpredictable, and your practice schedule should reflect that. During busy periods, scale back to shorter, gentler practices instead of stopping altogether. Consistency is more important than duration. Adjust your practice based on your energy levels as well. If you're feeling particularly tired, opt for restorative sessions, while more energetic days can be reserved for active practices. Regularly reassessing your practice schedule is beneficial as well. Evaluating your routine every few months ensures it continues to meet your evolving needs and supports your goals effectively. This reflection can help prevent routine fatigue, keeping your practice fresh and engaging. It also allows you to balance active and restorative practices, reducing the risk of burnout or injury. As you embark on your yoga journey, consider how adapting your practice schedule can help maintain consistency and enjoyment over the long term. Reflect on when, during the day, you feel most energized or relaxed, and think about how this can inform your practice times. Evaluate your current schedule. Are there adjustments that could better support your goals? With a well-thought-out yoga practice schedule, you can create a fulfilling and sustainable routine that enhances your overall well-being.